So today we will study sequence of even number. So what is even number? Answer. So what is even number? The natural number which are divisible by 2 are even numbers. Earths which are which are divisible by 2 are even numbers. Are even numbers. Some examples of even numbers are even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so many are the even numbers. So how to find out even numbers? 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. 2 is the even number. 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. 8. 10. 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12. So here are some examples of even numbers, and we can also find it also. First even number is 2, second even number is 4, third even number is 6, fourth even number is 8. By this way we can also know which one is first, second, third. So some questions are: what is 20th even number? Even number. So what is 20th even number? We will multiply 20 with 2. Answer is 2 multiplied by 20 equals to 40. 40 is 20th even number. 40 is the answer. So another question is: what is 47th even number? Even number. So what is 47th even number? We'll also multiply with 2. 2 multiplied with 47 equals to 94. So answer is 94. 94 is the 47th even number. So what is nth? So what is nth even number? What is nth even number? So what is nth even number? Nth means n means natural. Naturals or counting numbers we can say. Examples 1, 2, 3, 4 like this are naturals number. N is a short form of naturals number. So we can also find a formula by this. N is 2n or 2 multiplied by n. We can write in two forms. And another question is, what is 16th even number? So what is 16th even number? So answer is, we will multiply with 2 also. By the formula, we will multiply with 2 multiply with 16 equals to 32. 32 is the answer. Another question is, what is 40th even number? So what is 40th even number? Answer is, we will multiply with 2. 2 multiply with 40 equals to 80. 80 is the answer. Thank you.